to cover up another topic which is basically called binary addition, and it is a very easy kind of topic. So for binary addition you have to memorize some rules basically, and the rules are basically given in this book. And here you can see, if you are adding two bits which are 0 plus 0, the answer will be 0. There will be no carry. If you are adding 0 plus 1, the answer will be 1. If you are adding 1 plus 0, the answer will be 1. But if you are adding 1 plus 1, so the answer will be 1 0. So 0 will be the sum and 1 will be the carry. It is simply like this. If you are adding like 17 and plus 4, and 7 plus 4, when we add up 8 9 10 11, so 1 is the sum and 1 is the carry, so 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2, so the answer will be 21. So remember these are the rules. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1, that would be 1 0. When it's about another rule, if you are adding three ones, so the answer will be 1 1. Same thing is this, the one will be the sum and the next one will be the carry. So now we are going to practice this one question. Let's suppose we have 1 1 1 1. We have 4 bits. So another is 1 0 1 and 0. So now we are going to add up these bits. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 which is 1 0, the answer will be 1 0, but the rest of 1 will be the carry. So 1 plus 1, it is also equals to 1 0. So 0 again will be put up there, and again 1 will be the carry. So now we have a triple 1, so it is equals to 1 1. So we were adding a 4 bits, but now we have the answer in 5 bits. So when you are adding 4 bits and the answer in 5 bits, when you are adding 8 bits and the answer comes in 9 bits, it is called overflow. Oh, hope so you will get it. Let's go through the question as well. So here is the answer. The question is given: 1 plus 0, that will be 1. 1 plus 1, that is equals to 1 0. So 0 will be there and 1 will be the carry. So again 1 is the carry, so 1 plus 1 which is equals to 0 1, 0 will be there and 1 will be the carry. Right now just ignore this one, they are just writing is at a separate form. All right, so again 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, and 0 plus 0 equals to 0. So this is basically how you will go through the addition. Okay, so when we are going for the addition, or you can say subtraction, as we will do, so there is a possibility, as I told you, the problem come with an overflow, that you are adding at 8 bits and the answer is coming in 9 bits. So when it is the problem of overall, then definitely you have to just like the range for the overflow, which is 0 to 55, but now the answer is exceeding and it is not fitting in the bits as well. So now we are next going to practice another one question as well. Okay, we have I will go for the answers like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. I am going to solve the question with the 8 bits. Here is the answer. So 0 1 1 0 1 1 1, and let's suppose we have another one. All right, now we are going to add this one, these numbers. Okay, all right, so 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1 0, 0 will be there and 1 will be the carry. Again 1 plus 1, which is that would be 0, and 1 will be the carry. So triple 1 is always equals to 1 1. So 1 will be the carry and 1 will be the sum and 1 will be the carry. So 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 1 0. Basically the point you need to remember is the bit which is on its right side, that will be the sum, and the bit is on a left side, that will be the carry. So 1 plus 1 again, that was 0, and 1 again carry. So triple 1 is always equals to 1 1. So 1 will be the answer, and again 1 will be the carry. So 1 plus 1 always 1 0. So here the answer is coming in 9 bits. So there is no problem if the answer is coming in 9 bits, that will also be fine with this. Hope so this is it would be clear to you. Now in the next class we are going to discuss another topic, so stay in touch and just subscribe the channel. Thank you.